Traffic, Skygate 42 Kilo Papa departing runway 27, going to be departing the area to the west, Lewis. Alright, I'm going to close my window. You're welcome to close yours if you'd like. Alright.
Traffic says that through and sir, do it ready to take off runway 27, Lewis. I'll be second in line, Lewis.
Alright. You guys ready to go? Ready?
Lewis, Java Cherokee 93 Romeo is 5 miles to the south and be inbound for 27, Lewis.
Alright, so you see that big tree patch on there? I want you to take flight controls, I want you to steer me towards that, okay? Alright, so you have flight controls?
Traffic 6 at X-rays left base 364.
Alright, we're going over the Plainfield ponds, which actually used to be quarries that are just filled with water now. A little bit of rough air, no big deal.
Orange traffic 6 at X-rays, final 364, full stop. Orange traffic RV8 left, crossway 364.
Most traffic start 6180 X-ray is about 10 miles to the southeast of the field, inbound for 45 runway 27.
Let's go up to 3,000 feet, okay? So I want you to climb for me.
Lewis traffic 93 Romeo, turning base 27, Lewis.
Welcome back, 80 X-ray.
Thanks.
Alright, push that nose down just a little bit. There you go. So we want to try to maintain about 74 knots when we're doing it.
We're going to make on board uniform, turning left base. Want to go?
Alright, that's fine right there. I'm going to bring the car back.
Orange traffic RV8 midfield, left down, 136 more.
So the plane is going right there. You see him? That's why I had to climb. He was...
And Lewis traffic 93 Romeo, turning base, turning final runway 27, Lewis.
There's a big factory down there that's white, way down there, down this road. I want you to aim me towards that. So give me a left-hand turn.
Orange traffic RV8, final. Pennsylvania and Charlie 9, finish number 7.
Doing a great job. This factory right up there. Yeah.
4469 on west down 4927 call.
Pablo Grove.
Morris traffic, 6 X-rays reporting. Bravo is 7 miles to the west, final land 30 Papa Grove.
Call traffic, Archer 44691, left base, runway 27, go.
Alright, let's descend down to 2,500 feet, okay?
12,000 feet.
So push the nose down just a little bit.
Morris traffic, RV8 left downwind, 36 Morris.
7, go.
Alright. Now, I'll take flight controls real quick.
610 X-ray, 5 miles direct
I got
south
flight
of field, maneuvers 445, runway 27 Lewis.
Morris traffic, RV8 left base, 36 Morris.
A little bit of a steep turn.
Morris traffic, 6 X-rays left downwind, 36 Morris.
What was that? Cool?
Lewis traffic, Sky 842 Kilo Papa is 9 miles to the south, to the west of the field, maneuvers 45 for left down runway 27 Lewis.
Alright, so we got the